So WhatsApp has actually released top features which is actually going to blow your mind, and in this video I'm just going to share with you all of them you need to know. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So one of the new changes you're going to find on WhatsApp is now you can send larger files than we used to. Initially we had the chance to send up to 30 megabyte files, but now we can send up to 2 gigabytes. So you can see right here I'm trying to sort by largest, and then I'm just going to show you this one right here. You can see that is 1.8 gigabytes, and I'm going to be able to just send it to my friend directly without no problems. So this is how it's going to look like, and afterwards I can just send it to them, and then WhatsApp is actually going to send the same file to the person I want to send to. That is one cool feature. So you can now share movies and everything, even if it's a folder you want to share with your friends, game files you can share with your friends, and that is really going to help them. Let's check out the next feature that is going to blow your mind too. So among all the WhatsApp features, this is one of the best features I've liked too since I updated my WhatsApp. So you can now share voice statuses on your WhatsApp. So in case you want to share the voice status, you press hold on this, and then you're going to record whatever you feel like you want to record. Afterwards you just leave it, and then you have the chance to even delete it and then re-record it, or you can tap on this section right here, and then you are just going to update it on your status. So when you update it, this is how it's going to look like, and you can see it right here, and that is basically very cool. You swipe up like this and you're going to be able to just delete it, and you are good. Try it out, and in case you don't have it, just update your WhatsApp and you're going to find this feature. Let's check out the next feature. So next on the list is how names are displayed in a group. So let's say you have a group like this, and then you tap on this one right here. Now when you scroll down, you're going to see that the people you've not saved their numbers have their names attached to their numbers, and that is pretty cool. So now if anyone writes something in the group, you'll be able to just see the names rather than just seeing just the numbers, and it will make you know whoever is texting in the group. That way when scammers just get into the group and then they start typing anything they feel like they want, you can just point them out and then you can delete them out of the group. In case you haven't noticed there yet, just check it out and you're going to see the new changes there. Another thing you can do is now you can just go to your WhatsApp settings right here. You can create avatars and then also create stickers inside of this avatar feature, and that is really cool because stickers are now very much now a thing on WhatsApp. So in case you have it, you're going to be able to just enjoy your texting live and you are good. So let's say you pick on this one and then you pick on this guy right here, and then you are done right here. In case you just don't want to do more customization, you tap on save and then you tap on next, and then you're going to see your browse stickers right here. You're going to see all the stickers being created for you, and then when you tap on this side, you're going to be able to just share it to any of your friends you like, and you are good. So right now let's go back right here, and then we can tap on this section, and then we tap on this side, and then we tap on this one right here. We're going to see all the stickers we've been able to create, or WhatsApp has been able to create for us after we created our avatar. So I tap on this and you're going to see it right here, and the person can even add it to their favorites in case they see this new sticker you sent to them, and that is really great. If you don't have it yet, just update yourself and you're going to find it there and you are good. Let's check out the next feature. So one of the cool features I like most too is now you can text yourself on WhatsApp. So when you tap on the new message section right here, and then you see yourself right here, you can text yourself, and then you can keep anything you feel like you want right here. In case you want to keep some files or some messages here, you can just text yourself and you're going to have it right here. And when you go back, you're going to see it's here and it's going to be there forever. So when you feel like you want to delete it, or maybe when you feel like you want to get your saved message here, you can just go back and then retrieve it and you are good. So this is one of the cool features too I like on WhatsApp, and I'm really impressed on whatever they are doing. So another thing I like too on WhatsApp is, let's say you type something to a friend and you accidentally delete it. Let's say you type this and then you try to delete it. You delete it for yourself, and then you feel you don't want to delete it for yourself, you can tap on undo and you're going to still get the text back right here. So that is really cool. In case they bring it to all the delete section, I think it's going to be very helpful. Let's say you tap on delete all, you see you're not going to get a chance to just undo that one, but if they are able to just bring it to all this section, it's going to be very helpful. So let's check out the next feature. So one feature I always wanted on WhatsApp is ability for not people to just screenshot your view once. So let's say you send this view once photo to a friend. Let's say you tap on this and then you send it to a friend right here. This is the view once photo I sent, and then you download it. You're going to see that you're not going to get a chance to screenshot whatever was sent to you. When you screenshot, you're going to see it right here, screenshot being blocked, and that is really cool, because initially people were screenshotting whatever is being sent to them in a view one section, and I think WhatsApp did great trying to just block this feature or block the access out. So if you have not noticed, just don't worry. Whenever you send a view once photo to a friend, they're not going to be able to just screenshot it or screen record it. And that is basically very cool. Let's check out the next feature, which is really, really going to blow your mind. So on WhatsApp, you can now decide who you want them to add you on WhatsApp. So let's say you go to your settings and you go to privacy, and then you scroll down to groups right here. You tap on groups, and then you can see who can add you. You choose everyone, then anyone who is not in your contacts can just add you. So mostly I have it here, which is my contacts. So if you have my number, you can just add me in a group, and that is really great feature because you can just be there and people will add you in a group and you wouldn't like. And in the group settings too, you can do a lot more in your group settings. Let's say you scroll down to your group settings, you tap on it and just choose to approve people who can text in the group right here. So when you turn it on like this, anyone that is added or come to the group with a link, you are going to be the one to just approve them before they are going to start texting or start communicating with people in the group. I think this is going to be a very great feature, and it will be very helpful to secure some of the groups, because a lot of scammers do come to the groups and then mess it up and then they just leave, and this feature is actually going to help. The last feature is how you can lock any chats on WhatsApp, and that is a great feature a lot of people are going to like. So you go to the settings of your chat, you tap on this, and then you turn on this toggle. You're going to see this pop up right here, and then you just make sure you have this on and you are good. So you're going to have a section where you have lock chats right here, and when you scroll back and then you scroll down like this, you're going to see it right here, and you can unlock it, and then you're going to have the chats in the section right here, and that is pretty much very cool. Anytime you feel, you can just send it back to the normal screens and you are good. But this feature is now in beta and it will be rolled out to everyone very soon. So in case you don't have it, don't worry, very soon it's going to be open or available for everyone. And let me know in the comment section what feature you think I missed, so that you can just share your ideas to your friends too in the comment section. And also, in case you have any video ideas you feel you want me to do too, just let me know in the comment section. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.